All right. So, hey guys, how you doing? Um, Before I even get into this, I was just getting on here. I don't have any more trades left, or else I would be already going short on this stock if it breaks. If it doesn't break above, which it's not, yeah, bam, this is about to be, you know, some money right here. I would have just went short on that. I've been trading this stock all day. Um, I did cut a loss because at the bottom it did peak back up. But anyways, I want to get into that and other things. So let's just watch this for a minute and see just how this stock goes. I figure it might uptrend a little bit, maybe more, and then it's going to go down. That's at least how I've been trading it, and I just want to see if it plays out like that again. Like I said, I don't really have any more trades left for what I'm doing. So, anyways, let's get into that. So right here, what you see. You can see it says demo. Now, the reason it says demo is because this is a challenge account. Now, I don't, I don't know if the funds are really real or not. I mean, it's a challenge and they entrusted me with it. But if you lose a certain amount, they automatically shut your account down and that's that. Well, so anyways, they said it's not fake. So, I'm doing my best to complete the challenge. There's a lot of, some rules and stuff. You can only use 20 tickets, which means, if you buy a stock and then you sell that stock, that's two tickets. So each trade is one ticket. And so, of course, if you're trying to scalp anything or take any losses, all that counts into this challenge, and it makes it a lot more difficult, I guess. So, anyways, today I done pretty good. I was actually up a lot more, but I was trying to ride this stock down. Let's see if I can find the times here. Uh, so, yeah, right here is where I cut my loss, I believe. Yeah. So, as you can see, I took in some profits right here at what's the time on that? 12:25. Okay, so zoom in over here. Alright, so right here at 12:25, that's where I sold. So, but before that, I bought, up here, but I kept scalping and then rebuying. But, I should have just held the position, and made it a cleaner trade, used less commissions, but I just wanted to lock in profits, I'm still kind of um, new to this platform and everything and still getting the hang of it. This is my fourth day today, and so I'll talk about my other days. So far, I haven't had a red day. My smallest day was $71, and that was my first day. Uh, to complete the challenge, you have to have at least 3 days with over $100 profit. No losses more than 100, no losses more than I think 200 total, and let's see. Oh, and you have to make a profit of $500 in that period of time, and you have to use at least 6 tickets and no more than 20 tickets. So I have used 20 tickets 2 times. I took advantage of every single trade that I could, and able to pull, not even sometimes the $100 that I needed for that day, but I just wanted to at least still make a profit and you know. So I've never traded with an account like this, with this amount of money. And so just to go ahead and get this straight, so what this is, um, as you can see, these are CFDs. Uh, what this is, I still really don't. But basically, what I'm trading does not affect the actual market, the actual stocks themselves, because what this is, it's very liquid, and so I definitely encourage you to look more into that and let somebody else explain that to you because I don't want to confused because I'm still not all that clear on the specifics. So anyways, let's go ahead and get back in and see what this stock's doing. But yeah, so uh, it's basically I just stuck to this trade all day um, because I was getting familiar with the pattern. I could see what it was doing, and I did have to cut that loss, because it started to spike, but I'd already taken profits before that, so it's okay. All right, so I'm hold on, I'm all messed up here now. Okay, here we go. So, anyways, yeah, you can just see this stock on all the other charts. It's just way over extended, so I figured it's definitely good for a big pullback, especially in this market condition. So, uh, now I guess one thing that I did do is I didn't read too much about the company. I just looked at the news. I don't know much about it, so I don't know exactly why it's going up like this. I seen that it was paused for volatility and that they got rid of their assets, or their debt, but I didn't see anything real big in that, but whatever. Uh, so anyways, we can see the price is just still sticking around here, and so it might actually hang out, but we can see if it continues to just get rejected by this, and so it's either gonna have to break through this line or it's gonna have to fall heavy. So definitely I'll be watching this stock tomorrow. I would love to see it still up in this area tomorrow, and I will definitely go short on this stock. And um, if it's of course, if it still looks like a good trade, but it definitely looks good for a pullback. So it doesn't look so much like it on the 1 minute chart, but you can just see. But anyways, guys, so yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. I've just been trading on this, and I got a new job, so now I'm working graveyard shift, and so I'm an early riser. I always have woken up really early, and now I'm going to sleep. Where I'm getting off work when I would normally be waking up, so it's kind of threw me off a little bit, but getting there. I like the job, and so anyways, um, if I complete this challenge, tomorrow is my last day. I almost blew it today. Luckily, I was able to ride it out, and I was correct in what I was going for. I was just a little bit soon on my entry. Um, so, anyways, tomorrow I just need to profit $100, and the challenge will be complete. And so from that point, I will be awarded um, an account for me to leverage and to invest in stocks, short sell, or long call, or I mean really it's not for holding, it's for day trading, but going short or so the main thing about it though is so I get to keep 70% of what I make. They get to keep of course the 30%, and then there's commissions on the trades. So it's really not that expensive. I don't remember the exact number, um, but it's not all that bad. Uh, I've been trading like a lot of shares, as you can see. This is just today. This is all today, so I was, I wouldn't normally be able to do something like this. Okay, so anyways, let me get back on point. Sorry guys, I just got off work a little bit ago, well, a few hours ago now. Been up all night and I'm tired, but I wanted to make this video. I've been procrastinating for too long, you know, so anyways, long story short, if I can complete this challenge tomorrow and profit just $100, I will be given an account with $14,000 with no pattern day trading rule. No liquidity problems when it comes to short selling. Any stock that has over, I believe it's 500,000 volume, I should be able to short sell with no extra fees, no hard to borrow fees, none of that. So far, I've been able to short sell any stock that I've really looked up, and of course, I haven't just been going crazy and doing that, but it is really cool that I'm able to do that. It's something that I've uh, been looking forward to ever since I learned about the stock market. Like, you can't really make all that much uh, if you're holding the stocks because the profit's made throughout the day. And so, that being said, this just unlocks all of that. So tomorrow I make $100 and I'll have this account and I can just leverage that money and I can just continue to do that and I don't have to gamble my own money. But not only that, I have a lot more money to leverage, as of, compared to right now. And so with that ability, I won't have to hold a position to take a huge loss, because I don't have to worry about it coming back because I can just go right into another trade, whereas you have the day trading rule, it just really screws you. So this gets past all that. We can just this stock, tomorrow it's probably gonna go up pretty good, and I'll probably catch it for a pullback. Hopefully a huge one. That would be really cool. But I just need to go ahead and lock in the profit and call it a day at 100. But I would really like to impress them and pull 1,000. But actually at one point I was up over 600, but I didn't take profits fully. I only sold half of what I had, and I held the other half, and I ended up having to sell the other half for a loss. So, and as you can see, I took a loss on this stock as well. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been doing. I've been really focused on just going to work, getting this, doing this, going to sleep. I've been having to adjust to a new schedule. So, um, yeah, with that being said, if you guys are interested in this challenge or in this program, you should definitely check it out. It's Tradenet. I don't have an affiliate link yet, um, but I think that this is an absolute awesome program. Even if I don't complete this challenge, which at this point, I think it would be I feel very comfortable that I'm gonna make $100 tomorrow and be able to call it a day. So, um, as long as I'm able to do that, then I don't have to worry about it. But if I wasn't able to do the challenge for $500, I would get this account. Now, that being said, you don't want to just throw the money in there, and because if you lose more than 700 of the money that is borrowed, your account shut down. So, as we see, this stock's really going up pretty good. What time is it? Sorry, guys. It's towards the end of the day. Uh, anyways, so that's basically just what I've been doing. Uh, I'll show you, see if I can find some of my other trades that I've done. So I started with 10,000, and as you can see, I've made 624. This will go down a little bit. It'll probably be like 598 tomorrow after my commissions come out. I don't know, something like that. Let's see here. I'm still getting used to this platform. Okay, so is this it? Well, anyways, yesterday, or was it yesterday? No. Christmas Eve, I was short selling Facebook, and I made a pretty good profit on that. And that's something I definitely would have never been able to do prior to this program right here. And I understand this is just a challenge, but I'm one day away from actually having the account. So, with that being said, I'm really excited about that, and I I don't even know what to say. If I can make just $300 a day on here, you know, that's not that difficult. And after the challenge, you're not restricted to all the rules that you are right now, or that I am right now. So, you know, anyways, look at this stock rise, guys. It finally broke through the resistance. Jeez. Should have went long on it. No, it's gonna have a big pullback. So it's on low volume. Look at that. Has no volume. I mean, pretty big volume for or well, no, guys. Look at that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm pretty tired and I'm probably not making the best, most clear video. But anyways, this is what I've been up to, and if you guys are interested in this, I'll definitely be making more videos about this. Um, so yeah, I definitely look forward to that, and I feel like this definitely unlocks a new chapter. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you guys want to check it out, it's Tradenet. Watch some videos on it of other people. You know, I'll definitely be doing some more, and geez. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.